YouTube, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an opening of the Kingdra special illustration box from Shrouded Fable. But before we get into that, a few different housekeeping items. First one, we did it! We hit the 500 subscriber goal. I asked you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and you guys are like, hold my beer, watch this. And you destroyed the like, comment, and subscribe button. And you broke the YouTube algorithm, to be honest, okay? So thank you guys so much. We've passed 500 subscribers. We're actually on the way to 1,000 subscribers. So that's mind-blowing. Thank you guys so much. It's been exciting commenting and interacting with you guys. So I just want to continue to help build a community and, just share your ideas and, what we're collecting and just basically build a community where everybody can interact together. So that's my goal. So we hit the 500 subscriber goal. The giveaway is going to be a Shrouded Fable ETB. They haven't released them just yet, but once they do, I'll be sending one out. How do you enter the giveaway? Okay, first be subscribed, easy. Then like, and then the last one, I'm not going to make this one too difficult, comment. Let me know what your favorite Pokemon is from the Scarlet and Violet era. So, 3 things, you're entered in the giveaway. The drawing will be done on the next video. So by that time, Stellar Crown should be out. And I believe, if everything goes well, we'll be at the 1,000 subscriber mark, in which case I'll actually give away a booster box of Stellar Crown. For that giveaway, I'll actually open it up to international. So if you're international, you can still win. That's going to be the big milestone we were working towards. So I want everybody to get a chance to win that booster box. So Stellar Crown is the next giveaway. And without further ado, let's get into the opening for the Kingdra. This is arguably one of, if not the best promo for the Scarlet and Violet era so far. So really excited for that. And guys, if you enjoy the content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I know a lot of you aren't subscribed just yet, and I'd love to have you as part of the channel. All right, let's go. Boom. Okay, so I'm actually going to open up the Kingdra and the King Gambit. I wasn't able to get the Greninja special illustration rare just yet, so I'll be on the lookout for that one. But this baby is a beauty. So this Kingdra is arguably one of the best promos in the Scarlet and Violet era. Pokemon absolutely knocked it out of the park with this one, and it's actually pretty hard to find these. So if you can get your hand on one, I would absolutely try to. I'm going to try to collect maybe 4 or 5 of these. The artwork they did is just stunning, and I think this card is going to age very well. Alright, let's see if we can get this open relatively painless. Okay, so this one comes with 5 packs of Shrouded Fable. Now, I know Shrouded Fable isn't the favorite set from Scarlet and Violet. It's probably looked upon as like the Pokemon Go set, but there are a few different cards in here that I actually really enjoy. If you look at the illustration rares, I think they did a really good job with some of those. So don't sleep on it. It's not a set where you're gonna have a ton of massive chase hits, but some of the illustration rares are really good. All right, so first thing we want to do is check the centering. Centering actually looks pretty good. And then the next thing we want to do is look at the corners on the back. So I'll be honest, there's just a little bit of like a lifting on the corner there, but no whitening, and the centering looks really good. Guys, I think this thing has a shot at a PSA 10. Love it. So that's very exciting to see. And then the other promos, they have the Horsey. Let's check the centering. I actually like the promo on this too. Again, the corners look okay. Just a little bit of a lifting there. And there's like a little slight mark on the left corner. I don't know if you can see that. So I don't know if this one may get to 10, but the aesthetic of it is very beautiful. Okay, and then Kingdra is the last one. Okay, front looks good. Same thing here. So this one definitely is going to be a no. Something happened on the corner there. I'm not sure what. So these two will probably end up being binder copies. I'm okay with that. I actually like these promos though, so I'm gonna try to get all 3 in a 10. But the Kingdra, I think, is okay. All right, so got 1 shot out of 10 on that one, I believe. And let's get into these packs. So I would actually love to pull the Houndoom illustration rare. That card is really gorgeous. I'll put a picture of it up for you guys. They did a good job with that artwork. And so I would love to have that card as a part of my collection. All right, so Rowlet, Fracture, Persian, Dusclops, Slitherwing, Cassieopia. That is the special illustration rare that you're looking for from this set. Okay, so we have a Zorua. Centering looks good on the front. Centering looks good on the back. Guys, this card is really well centered. Okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing so far from the print quality. That's always a plus. Always a gamble with Pokemon. You never know what you're going to get. Okay, next pack. Code card. And guys, again, thank you so much for all the love and support. It's been phenomenal. You guys have really been kind, and then also some constructive criticism. I have no problem with constructive criticism. So I'm here to make this an enjoyable event for you, if you will. So if you have any things you'd like to see, or see if there's anything I can add to the... Got an EX hit here real quick. Add to the video. I'm definitely open for suggestions. I'm here to make this enjoyable for you guys. Okay, so we have 2 hits out of 2 packs. I love that. Let's see if we can continue that trend. All right, code card for you. All right, so Darkness Energy, Sneasel, Eevee, Dusclops, Horsey, Trainers, Kyurem. Okay. So nothing there, but we do have, I would consider this a hit. We have another Ace Trainer spec card. Centering looks okay, all the way around. A little heavier on the top there. The back isn't as good, I would say, but I think that's still within a shot of a 10. So I'm gonna say we're 3 for 3, guys. I'm counting that. That's a hit. Let's go. Some of the other special illustration rares in this set aren't the best, I would say. I will agree. So I wouldn't say the special illustration rares are going to be my chase cards. I'm actually more looking for the illustration rares. If you guys are collecting and opening this set, let me know which cards you're looking for, or which cards you've actually pulled. Twice Baked Jake pulled the Cassieopia on like one of his first openings. So I was like, okay. Normally on a set, I'll do a card that if we pull the chase card, we can end the video. So if I pull that one, we can call it a good day. How about that? Rowlet, Meow, Trainer, Crobat, Axew. Oh no. Okay, last 2 packs were duds, but 3 out of 5 packs we had a hit. I think that's actually a win. So give me just a second. We'll crack open the King Gambit. This one is only just an illustration rare, but I think the artwork's still pretty good. So give me just a second and we'll get to that one. Okay, so here we have the King Gambit illustration rare from Shrouded Fable. If you can get the Kingdra and the Greninja, I would try to go with those first. But if you're just a collector and you have to have all of the promos, then I don't think this is a bad option. But the Greninja and Kingdra are definitely, if you can pick and you have limited resources, that's where you want to start. Okay. All right, and so this one actually comes with 4 cards, and this set I got these from GameStop, so if you check on their website or in store, you actually might be able to still find a few. Let's check. Centering is a little heavier left to right, but not horrible. Back looks really good, actually. I don't think the front's a deal breaker. I think this may have a shot at a 10, guys. Okay, I love to see that. And then the other two. So we have a poniard. Let's check the back. Actually, I think this one is very well done too. Centering actually looks better on this one. I think that's a strong shot at a 10. And the Bisharp. Centering looks good. Centering looks good. Corners look good. Okay, guys. That one might come back in sequential. There we go. Sequential 10s. So all four, you can get 10s back to back to back. And so they'll all be numerically in the same order. Okay, let's check here. So 4 packs to go. If we can get 3 hits, is that asking too much? I would be ecstatic. Okay. So energy. These do have like a little hollow energy pattern. So kind of like what they did with Scarlet and Violet. 151. Okay, Dusclops, Seadra, nothing in the first pack. All right, that one was a dud. Have you guys been enjoying the pull rates? I think the pull rates are fair. I don't think they're, Crown Zenith pull rates, but I think they're fair. All right, Houndoom, Absol, Trainer, Slithering Wing, Persian, Rowlet, nothing. Oof. So this one, we're striking out. 0 for 2. All right, let's see if we can turn this thing around. If we get the Cassieopia out of one of these, and I think that's a win. Code card. All right, so Fire Energy. Let's see what we can do here. But yeah, I know the Shrouded Fable set as a whole hasn't been getting a lot of fanfare, but it's not one of Pokemon's greatest works. All right, nothing in that one either. Oof, this pack is rough. We gotta at least have 1 hit, right? Gotta get 1. Come on, Pokemon, don't do us like that. Okay, let's see. Beware, Houndour, Seadra, Eevee, Kyurem, Duskull, Rowlet. Oof, nothing in 4 packs. That was a little rough. But the promos came out really well, so I think that made up for it. Okay, guys, that's going to wrap up our video for today. Again, thank you so much for the support. And again, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and that way you're entered in for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway when that one comes up. Thank you guys again. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.